Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 6th, and we have our Blue Angel Sylvania seeds here that I planted on January the 25th, and they did germinate for us, and we got 100% germination rate out of them. They germinated very quickly, and they started coming up for us January the 29th. And they did start getting their true leaves, most of them did. So the ones with the true leaves, I actually started feeding them. Today was their first feeding. I use a 4th teaspoon Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water. And that really helps. It's all-purpose Miracle-Gro plant food. It's the water soluble. Sorry about that. And I feed them once a week. And I don't feed a dry plant because I can risk burning the root system, and I don't want to do that. And you'll hear me say that in all of my videos because I don't want anyone to feed a dry plant and burn their root systems on them. So we will be feeding these once a week with that mixture. As they continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos for you to give you updates. I did plant some other varieties of Sylvania, and they have not germinated yet, so I'm still waiting for those to come up. They weren't planted too long ago. And I did do a playlist on these, which I will leave a link down below in the description for you, and you can go check that out on my channel. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I will try and answer them for you. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.